In this video, we'll be showing you how you can blend colors to match a stone surface using an HIMG Light Cure Acrylic Repair Kit. Two colors we'll be blending together for this repair are clay brown and oyster white. To replicate this semi-swirled surface, we're adding in droplets of each color and mixing as we go. Don't be afraid to take your time on this step. The LCA material won't begin curing until you put the LED light to it, which gives you as much time as you need to work on your color match. It's also important to note that the curing process for LCA doesn't affect the color at all, so what you see on the surface is what you'll get. Once we've gotten to a color match we like, we're placing down a piece of packing tape as our curing strip and applying the LED light to it for 2 to 3 minutes, or until hardened. For this repair, we're giving it a very light sand, not wanting to disturb this stone too much, just helping the repair match the texture of the surface. Wipe it down with a cloth, and you're done. We were super happy with how we were able to replicate the beautiful natural smattering of colors in this stone here. While blending colors can seem daunting, we promise you can do it too. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more repair tutorials and head on over to our website to pick up your repair kit. Remember, don't replace, repair.